planet is Earth. Our planet is also called blue planet. Why? Because around 71% of the Earth's surface is covered by water and 29% by land. The surface of the Earth is not same everywhere. Some are flat and level, while others are raised. Many different landforms we can see on the Earth's surface, like isthmus, plateau, desert, mountain, valley, volcano, etc. The major landforms on the Earth's surface are mountains, plateaus, plains, desert and rivers. Listen children, once again I will repeat. There are 5 major landforms on the surface of the Earth. They are mountains, plateaus, plains, deserts and rivers. Okay children, first we will discuss mountains. Mountain is a landform which rises more than 900 meters above the sea level. Mountains differ in height and shape. Mountains have a steep slopes. The highest point of the mountain is called peak or summit. Mostly mountains are conical in shape. See here children, I will show the model of mountains. Mountains have a steep slopes. The highest point of the mountain is called peak or summit. Mostly mountains are conical in shape. The height and shape of the mountains differs on their age. The Himalayas in India, the Alps in Europe are young mountains. They are high and have steep slopes and conical peak. The Aravallis in India, the Appalachians in North America are old mountains. They are very low and rounded peak. Several mountains join together to form a chain or a range. See here children, I will show. Several mountains join together to form a chain or a range. This is the range of mountains, mountain ranges. Mountains often have a series of parallel ranges. Two or more mountain ranges are parallel each other. The examples are Himalayas in India, the Rockies in North America and the Andes in South America. See here children, the Himalayas in India are the highest mountain ranges in the world. The Himalayas in India are located northeast part of India, and they are located southeast part of Tibet. Himalayas prevents the moisture bearing clouds from crossing over to the Tibet. This enables the northern plains get heavy rainfall. In the same way, cold winds from Siberia are blocked by the Himalayas from crossing over to the south. Next, the importance of mountains. Mountains have steep slopes and very thin soil cover. It is difficult to grow crops. The mountainous regions have very less population. This is due to an unsuitable climate, shortage of flat land, and difficulty in transportation. Despite this, mountains are also useful to us. Mountains act as a barrier against hot and cold winds. Rivers originating in mountains provide water for irrigation, drinking, and some other occupations throughout the year. Because rivers originate in mountains, receives water from rain as well as melted snow and ice. The steep slopes of the mountains are covered with rich pasture and valuable forest. Pasture means grasslands. Some mountains are rich in mineral deposits. Next, we will discuss plateaus. Plateaus are also called tableland because plateaus are very high land with flat top. It rises abruptly from surrounding land. So, it has steep slopes. Many rivers and streams flow through plateaus. Many plateaus are extend over hundreds of kilometers. For example, Southern Plateau in India and Tibetan Plateau in Tibet. Tibetan Plateau is the highest and largest plateau in the world. Tibetan Plateau is also called as roof of the world. It is surrounded by mountains on all sides. Most plateaus are in dry region and leeward side of the mountains. Leeward side means in the direction toward which wind is blowing. Due to high altitude, the climate is cold. Growing season is short. For example, Ooty and Kodaikanal in Tamil Nadu and in southern Plateau. Ooty and Kodaikanal are hill stations. Hill stations are cool even in summer season. They are located high altitude at same latitude. Some plateaus have deep canyon on their surface. See here children, this is the picture of canyon. Canyon means a deep gorge between two hills. See here children, these two hills are very high and flat top. Canyon means a deep gorge, typically one with a river flowing through it. See here children, between two hills we can see deep gorge, river is flow through it. This is we call canyon. Colorado Plateau in North America, it has deepest canyon on its surface. Colorado Plateau is a Grand Canyon or the deepest canyon in the world. See here children. Colorado Plateau in North America, and other example is Bolivian Plateau in South America. Next, the importance of plateaus. Plateaus have grasslands on which cattle and sheep are reared. Some plateaus are rich in mineral deposits. Next, plains. Plains are flat and low-lying lands. They are also called lowlands. They can be flat or slightly hilly. Plains may be formed by deposition of sand and silt by rivers. Rivers carries sand and silt with them. When the rivers slow down, these materials are deposited on their banks. Plains are formed by these materials. Plains are also very fertile by these materials. Plains more populated than plateaus and mountains. The examples are northern plains and coastal plains in India and Indus Valley plains in Pakistan. Some plains are located in the interior part of the continents and some are located near the coast. Next, the importance of plains. Plains have very fertile soil which is suitable for agriculture. Most ancient civilizations flourished on plains. Most big cities and towns are located in the plains. For example, in India, Allahabad, Varanasi, Patna and Kolkata, these four cities are located in the plains. It is easier to construct roads, canals, railways and aerodromes in the plains.